Magandang hapon, masayang kawit. Ano ang sagot nyo kanina? Kay Sir Romel, pag sinabing magandang hapon, masayang kawit, ano sasabihin nyo? Okay, very good talaga ang mga estudyante ng kawit. Hindi nakalimutan. Ano po? So, magandang hapon po sa lahat. Good afternoon. Annyeong sayo. A pleasant afternoon to all. To our distinguished guests, the executives of Heavenly Culture, World Peace and Restoration of Light, headed by its chairman, Mr. Jean Mo Lee, and company, Mr. John Romel T. Garces, HWPL Philippines, LGU officials headed by our Honorable Mayor, Angelo Aguinaldo, represented by Mami Army Aguinaldo, fellow educators, ang mga kasamahan ko po sa SDO Cavite Province, through the leadership of our schools, Division Superintendent, Dr. Rosemary D. Torres, represented by our Assistant Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Antonio Faustino Jr., fellow advocates of peace, friends, ladies, and gentlemen. Today, we gathered here under a banner of shared hope, bound by a collective dream. Ano po yung pangarap ng bawat isa sa atin? A world where peace reigns supreme, where every voice is heard, and every life is cherished. The theme for today's celebration is, ano po ang tema ng ating pagdiriwang ngayon? Alam niyo po ba? Okay, sige nga, sir. Ang tema po natin ngayon ay honoring our heritage, uniting for global peace, empowering the youth to co-champion declaration of peace and cessation of war towards a war-free world. It reminds us of three essential pillars that will guide us to a brighter and peaceful tomorrow. First pillar is honoring our heritage. Our heritage is a treasure trove of lessons. Bakit ba kailangang malaman natin kung ano ang kasaysayan? It tells stories of struggle and triumphs, of resilience and renewal. Our ancestors fought not just to survive, but to thrive, dreaming of better future for us. Kilala niyo ba mga bata kung sino yung nakasakay sa kabayo? Sino siya? At si Emilio Aguinaldo ang kauna-unahan? Wow, hindi lang basayang kawit. Sir Talon, matalinong kawit. Okay. So isa si General Emilio Aguinaldo na nakipaglaban, no, sa mga dayuhan upang makamit ang kalayaan. At hindi lamang para makamit ang kalayaan, ano pa? Para magkaroon din ng kapayapaan ang bansang Pilipinas, no? Kaya dapat ipagmalaki natin na tayo ay Caviteño at ipagmalaki nyo na kayo ay taga-Kawit. So sasabihin nyo, we are proud, we are Caviteño. Pakiulit nga. We are proud, we are Caviteño. Okay, dadagdagan ko pa yung masayang kawit, matalinong kawit. May isa pa kayong M. Ano yung isa yung M? Masunuring kawit. Okay, palakpakan nyo naman ang mga taga-Kawit, no? So, ano ba ang ginawa ng ating mga ancestors? They taught us the value of unity, the strength in diversity, and the power of solidarity. Honoring our heritage means acknowledging the sacrifices in the name of peace. Let us not forget that our shared history is a reminder that peace is not merely the absence of war, but the presence of justice, equity, and mutual respect. So hindi lamang ang ibig sabihin ng kapayapaan ay dahil walang digmaan. May kapayapaan kung umiiral ang katarungan, ang pagkakapantay-pantay at ang paggalang sa bawat isa. Kaya tandaan niyo yan mga bata. Next pillar. So ano ang una nating pillar? Honoring our heritage. The next pillar is uniting for global peace. Bakit ba tayo natitipon ngayon? Para saan? Bakit naandito ang ating mga bisita from South Korea? Para sa? Okay. So, we are living in a world increasingly interconnected. And our differences should not divide us. No? Kaya ang ganda ng pagkakataong ito. Kasi nakikita ang pagkakaisa ng Pilipinas at ng bansang Korea. No po? The challenges we face from climate change to armed conflict demand collective solutions. Peace is not a one nation endeavor. It's a global mission. Kaya magpasalamat tayo sa ating mga brothers and sisters from HWPL. Pwede bang bigyan natin sila ng masigabong palakpakan? Kasi sa pamamagitan nila, binubuhay nila ang diwa ng kapayapaan sa ating mga puso. Uniting for global peace means breaking down the walls of prejudice, hatred, and mistrust. It requires collaboration between nations, communities, and individuals. Let us remember that our strength lies in our ability to stand together, not apart from each other. Pwede ba tumayo kayo mga bata? Yan. At maghawak-hawak kayo ng kamay. Yan. Sabihin nyo, we stand as one. We promote peace. Ay, kailangan lagyan nyo ng buhay with conviction. Ay, hawak-hawak ng kamay, please. Yan. Okay, ulitin nyo. We stand as one. We promote peace. Okay, thank you so much. Makakaupo na kayo. Okay, so we will go to the next pillar, and it is about empowering youth to champion peace. The youth are not just leaders of tomorrow. At sabi nga ni Gato Rizal, ano ang sinabi ni Gato Rizal? Ang kabataan, very good. So, ano na, hindi lang masayang kawit, hindi lang, ano yung sinabi ko kanina, masayang kawit, matalinong kawit, masunuring kawit, ano pa ang susunod? Makabayang kawit. So, apat na ang M's nyo, ha? Ma'am M's, kaya pala M's sa palayaw mo. Okay. So, empowering the young people to champion the declaration of peace and cessation of war is critical to achieving a war-free world. This is creativity, energy, and passion. Have the power to transform societies and inspire movements. So ito pong ginagawa natin, itong ginagawa ng HWPL ay isang magandang move para i-promote ang world peace. Ano po? So, Let us invest in the education of our youth, amplify their voices, and provide them the necessary knowledge, skills, and attitudes to lead and be an agent of change for a better and peaceful world. In conclusion, as we honor our heritage, unite for global peace, and empower the youth, let us remember that peace is not a destination. Peace is a journey. It is a responsibility that demands our unwavering commitment. So let this moment be a turning point. Let our voices echo across the world, declaring that we will not rest until every child wakes up in the world free of violence, every community thrives in harmony, and every nation stands in peace. So, if we want peace, let the peace begin in us. Okay, sabihin nyo nga, the peace will begin in us. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! And for that, I would like to say thank you and mabuhay po tayong lahat. Byong waga, Nansinwa Hante, let there be peace on earth and peace be with you all. Good day.